Celebrity Chef Mariko Ame-Kodomo, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple curry chicken salad. This is such a delicious and easy salad that has so many different flavors. I'm sure it will become one of your favorites. To get started, you will want to make the dressing for the salad. In a bowl, I'm going to add some pineapple juice. We're going to be using some canned pineapple in this recipe, so I'm just going to save a little bit of the juice and add a couple tablespoons for the dressing. Okay. Then I'm going to add a little splash of soy sauce. That's going to give it a little salty kick. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil. It's going to help all the flavors really combine together well. Then I'm going to add the curry powder. There are so many different types of curry powders out there. So just look at your local grocery store in the spice section. I'm sure you will be able to find a curry powder that best suits your needs. So I'm just going to add a nice generous sprinkling into my dressing. This is going to be about a half a teaspoon. And some curry powders have salt and some don't. So before you add too much curry powder or too much soy sauce, just taste it to make sure you don't oversalt it. Okay. Now I'm just going to stir everything together and make this really nice dressing. And it already smells so fragrant and delicious. Okay. In this dressing, I'm going to add my chicken. I love adding chicken to my salad, so I always grill up a whole bunch ahead of time, put it in the refrigerator, and then it's really easy to chop up and use later. So I'm going to add about a cup into my dressing. Okay. And then I'm going to stir everything together well so it can get a nice marinade going. Oh, it already smells so delicious. Okay. All right, while that's marinating, I'm gonna get my salad ready. You could use any different types of greens you want. Today I'm gonna use a little combination of spinach because I've just been really loving spinach lately because it's really healthy, it's a dark green vegetable, has a lot of iron. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of shredded cabbage because I really like the sweetness it gives my salads. Okay. Then I'm gonna put some of my pineapple pieces. I love adding fresh fruit to salads. It makes everything so much more delicious. Okay? And now I'm ready to put my marinated chicken on it. And then I'm going to get a little extra of the dressing just to drizzle it over there. We don't want to forget any of that dressing. It's going to be so good. Now it's ready to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to make a pineapple curry chicken salad. Enjoy.